Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Fitbit fitness band. The variant which we'll be unboxing is the Fitbit Charge HR, which comes with features which tracks your heart rate plus activity wristband. This basically comes with features to track your continuous heart rate, activity and workout, sleep quality, and it comes with some features such as caller ID and the ability to sync wirelessly to your smartphone, right? As you can see, this is the Fitbit Charge HR box retail unit. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. As you can see on the box, it tells you the different features that comes with this fitness band, which we already talked about in a brief. We'll be reviewing this device in detail later on, but for today's video we'll be only unboxing this. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. As you can see, this is your So just we'll be cutting open the box using the knife here. We just remove the seal. Apart from that, here also at the back cover there is a seal kind of thing, right? So we'll just pull it out from here, as you can see, and here it is. Box is out basically. So this is your Fitbit Charge HR, the fitness band, the actual device itself. Apart from that, let's check out what else we have. In this top portion we got nothing. Now let's check out this one. Here you can see you have something in this particular portion of the box. This is basically the fitness Fitbit kind of just information booklet. Here it is safety instruction and limited warranty booklet. Apart from that, we have this USB cable with the charging port here, which can be used to charge the band, right? Apart from that, we have this Bluetooth dongle which can be used for syncing this Fitbit with your computer. Apart from that, let's see if we have anything else. So that's it. We do not have anything else in this box. These are the only content that came with the box. As you can see, the booklets and manuals, the USB cable with the charging port at one side and the USB port at the other side, the Bluetooth dongle and the device itself. So let's pull out the device from this. As you can see, it comes with a wristband just like your normal watches, and here is the Fitbit logo. You can see, hopefully I'll just zoom it out for you. This is the Fitbit logo, and apart from that, if you open the wristband and look out the device itself, at the bottom here you have the Fitbit band. Apart from that, these two are the charging port, basically using the charging cable and inserting it here you can charge the device, right? As you can see, you can insert this USB cable into this, and using a charger or using your laptop USB port, you can charge this Fitbit band, right? As you can see, it start blinking if you these two are LED lights. They start blinking most probably when you start charging the device, right? So we'll just here you can see, if you just press the button here, this one, it will start blinking, and it also most probably will blink when you charge this device, right? So on the top of this you have a wrapper set here. We'll just remove the wrapper and try to power on the device. Let's see if we can. As you can see, the device needs to charge first, so we'll be charging this device later on, and it seems it has some charge so that you can start it, right? So it shows a charge indication, but at the moment, as you can see, it shows you some kind of indication which tells you the timing. Perhaps we'll be setting it up later on. To use this Fitbit, you need to download a Fitbit app, and you need to pair it up initially. As you can see, we have already downloaded the Fitbit app here. If you open, it tells you that what feature it comes with and what you can do with this app along with this band. As you can see, you can track your fitness all day and night, get active, and then it can help you eat better, manage weight, right? So you need to just click on join Fitbit if you are not already having a account on Fitbit, right? If you do that, you will be given an option to select the Fitbit band which you have. At the moment, this one is the Charge HR, which tracks wireless heart rate plus sleep wristband with display, as you can see. And here you can see that it gives you option to set up your Charge HR, and later on you need to log into Fitbit. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account, and then after login you can pair this device. So we'll just try to log in. We don't have an account here, so we'll just try to log into this Fitbit. So we are just using the option to create a new account here. So as you can see, after you log in, you need to provide initial information about yourself, right? The birthday, your name, and everything else. So you can set it up. As you can see, it is saving your details. Hopefully it will log in soon. Right, as you can see, it has saved your detail, and it need to click on the next step, right? It tells you that press and hold the button for 3 seconds, we already did that, right? As you can see, it shows you a code here which you need to enter at the next screen. Here you can see it is 0360, so just enter this code and it will just connect to the device, right? As you can see, the connection is taking a bit of time, but still it is done. It is asking for some software update available, so just click on the next step and click on the next step again, right? So at the moment it's saying that battery is a bit too low to continue, and as it's a software update, so we need to charge the battery first to start this update. So we'll be doing this update later on, but as you can see, this is the initial setup that you need to do with your Fitbit band, and you are good to go and start staying fit. So thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be reviewing this device in more detail pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.